Hello everyone, welcome to Veranda IAS. In this session of Geography Foundation course, we'll be looking into the previous year question analysis for prelims. UPSC always follows specific pattern in the questioning, especially in prelims with respect to geography. Let us see them in this particular session. Actually, there are different types of questions UPSC sticks to with regard to the geography question. First one is the concept-based question. If you have clear-cut understanding about the concepts with regard to geography, you can easily attend this type of questions. Whereas the other one is factual. You have to remember certain facts. Those facts play important role in these questions. The other one is logical deduction. With these two, in our clarity, we can come to a logical deduction of the answers, especially in statement-based questions. And another important thing is map-based questions in geography. There are many map-based questions, especially in geography. There are at least 4 to 5 questions directly or indirectly reflects in the prelims part. So these are the types of questions with regard to geography. Another one is current affairs based questions. What's the current happening nationally and internationally? Those topics are jotted down and the questions are asked in those areas. Hence, we saw the types of questions asked in geography subject. Next, we shall see the questions, each one concept based, as we saw in the previous year, concept based, logic based, all these one by one in the upcoming slides. First, let us see what is this question. On 21st June, the sun is dash. For this, you have to understand, you should have understood the concepts actually. Why does this happen? This falls under the revolution of the earth. During the revolution, the season happens. This is actually the summer solstice. What happens during summer solstice? If you are clear in the concept of summer solstice, you would have easily answered this question. The answer for which is this one. The sun does not set below the horizon at the Arctic Circle. You could see it from this image. This is the area of sun. So this part of the globe is exposed to sun, and since our earth is tilted towards the axis of 23.5 degree, this Arctic Circle part is directly exposed to sun. So that's why the sun does not set below the horizon at the Arctic Circle. Next question is, why are dew drops not formed on a cloudy night? This is one of the technical questions regarding to the temperature inversion. So you could see the answer as clouds reflect back the Earth's radiation. That's why there is no dew drop during a cloudy night. Otherwise, during the temperature inversion, long nights, especially winter nights, will result in the formation of dew drops. So this is one other set of questions with regard to the concept based. Next one is regarding the Andaman Nicobar Island. Barren Island volcano is an active volcano located in the Indian territory. Barren Island lies about 140 kilometers east of Great Nicobar. Last time the Barren Island volcano erupted was in 1991, and it has remained inactive since then. This is again a concept based question. If you had understood the concept, there is a Barren Island volcano located in the territory of India, which is in the Andaman part. So if you had known this concept, and if you had also known the fact that it had erupted after 1991 also, you could have easily deduced to the answer. So here only statement 1 is correct. The other two are wrong. Next we shall see the next question. Which of the following phenomena might have influenced the evolution of organisms? This again falls in the geomorphology, evolution of universe and earth. In that particular chapter, we'll read what are the causes or influences that created the earth structure as such. So in this, both of them will be responsible for the formation and evolution of organisms. So this is another concept-based question. Next, we shall look into the factual questions. Let us read this question. Tides occur in oceans and seas due to which among the following? This question was asked in prelims of 2015. If you had known this fact about the concept of tides, so you would have understood that who are all responsible for the occurrence of tide. The answer for which is all three are responsible for the occurrence of tides in the world. Next question will be, consider the following. In India, the Himalayas are spread over 5 states only. The next statement states that Western Ghats are spread over 5 states only. Pulicat Lake is spread over 2 states only. You could see only being reiterated in almost all the statements. With that, you cannot say none of the above. So you could use the factual knowledge. Himalayas is a huge mountain range. It is spread over many states. We don't know how many states. If you had the factual knowledge of through whatever states the Himalayas is spread over, you could deduce the answer. And the next is Western Ghats. Again, Western Ghats, it is also a huge range of mountain system. And if you had knowledge about the proper Western Ghats structure, you could have deduced the answer. And then Lake Pulicat. This is again a factual based question with regard to a smaller place. If you had factual knowledge about all the three statements only, you could answer such questions. So here the answer 3 is only correct. Next question is, consider the following rivers: Vamsadhara, Indravati, Pranhita and Pennar. Which of the above are the tributaries of Godavari? Unless and otherwise, if you are thorough with the tributaries of Godavari, you could not answer such questions. So you are supposed to have some factual knowledge as well. So these things are shown so that you can have an understanding what is the expectation of UPSC and how you are supposed to prepare. So here the answer is statement 2 and 3 only. So you should prepare in this perspective as well. Okay. Now next we shall go to the next question. In India, in which one of the following types of forest is a teak dominant tree species? Again, you should have known this fact. So here the answer is tropical moist deciduous forest. If you had good knowledge about the natural vegetation across India, you would have easily answered this question. Next we can see the question. The seasonal reversal of wind is a typical characteristics of. This is very Indian question because it's asked about the seasonal reverse. Indian climate is called as monsoon climate. So the answer over here is monsoon climate. Next we shall go to the next set of questions. That is logic based question. Let us read the question. Which one of the following regions of India has a combination of mangrove forest, evergreen forest and deciduous forest? See, you could see this is logic based question. So there is some logic to come to a answer. So here they have talked about mangrove, they have talked about evergreen forest, they have talked about deciduous forest. So it must be spread over, just roughly you imagine. Since these all three forests are talked about, it must be spread over a few regions, at least an extended region. Which of the following is spread over extended region? See here, they have specifically talked about the northern coastal Andhra, only the northern part of Andhra. Here, south of West Bengal. Here, southern Saurashtra. Over here, Nicobar Island. It is spread over a stretch and it is also a unique part of India. So this might be a potential answer. So this is the right answer as well. Now we shall go to the next question. Consider the following statements. The winds which blow between 30° north and 60° south latitude throughout the year are known as westerlies. The moist air masses that cause winter rains in northwestern regions of India are parts of westerlies. Which of the following statements are correct? Since this is logic based question, how to deduce the answer? See, they have talked about 30° north and 60° south. This is the equator and this is 30° north, whereas here 60° south. So they have talked, the winds passing through these two regions are called as westerlies. Westerlies are a part of global winds, but they pass over here. It starts from west and flows towards east. But they have talked about it is flowing between 30° north and 60° south. Conceptually itself we can say it is strong, but if you even don't know the concept, we can say that it is flowing between this wide range and that too from north to south. So that might be a logically wrong answer. So that way you can eliminate this statement. And here the only second statement is correct. The next question says, consider the following states: Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Mizoram. In which of the following states do tropical wet evergreen forests occur? See, this is one of the factual questions, but still you have to have a basic knowledge of the geography as well. Mizoram passes through the Tropic of Cancer. Himachal is positioned exactly in the temperate region. Arunachal Pradesh is above the tropic, but still it has 4 types of forests. So the answer you can deduce that Himachal Pradesh can be a doubt of contention. So keeping that as a part of your doubt, you can state that Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. Even by coming to a conclusion of Mizoram, you can come to a proper deduction, and if you eliminate Himachal Pradesh, obviously you can come to the right answer. Next question will be talking about the current affairs based question. See, read this question. Recently, our scientists have discovered a new and distinct species of banana plant which attains a height of about 11 meters and has orange colored fruit pulp. In which part of India has it been discovered? They have talked about the unique species, new distinct species of banana plant which is about 11 meters in height, and they have unique color called orange color fruit pulp. So this is something unique, and this is a recent current affairs. So which of the following options has unique natural vegetation? Just consider Anemole Hills, Maikala Hills, tropical rainforest of Northeast. Only Andaman is totally separate from the mainland of India. So logically you can say that this unique species might have occurred in Andaman Islands. So that might be a potential answer if you are guessing as well. So this is even if you have the knowledge of current affairs and also using your logical deduction method, you can come to a answer. So we saw how to analyze the previous year questions and what are the types of questions usually UPSC asks with regard to geography. Hope this session was useful, and let us meet in the next session. Thank you.